Before we start, thank you for watching our videos, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss new videos. The ingredients for this recipe are the following. Monkfish, or in Italian we call this codo di rospo. Capers, olives, canned plum tomatoes, olive oil, flour, dried hot pepper, but this is optional, salt, garlic, and white wine. For today's recipe, I'm gonna teach you how to cook tasty monkfish. In a pan, at low heat, pour some oil and saute the garlic. While doing this, let's dredge the fish with flour before frying them until slightly brown. When the fish turned light brown, let's pour white wine and turn the fire to high heat until the aroma evaporates. Now turn to low heat and add all the remaining ingredients: olives, capers, canned plum tomatoes or tomato paste if that's what you have, hot peppers, and salt according to your taste. And finally, cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Now the fish is cooked and ready to be served. If you like this video and want to learn more easy, tasty, and affordable recipes, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this channel and the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.